Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. Quick video. We just wanted to point out, this is Richard from one of the traders at the prop desk. I wanted to point out a trade we use every single day, playing SPX zero data expiration options, very low risk entries. We're looking for low deltas on a retest in a range. And we had determined or had a thesis going in it was going to be a range bound day today. Once the news was announced about the consumer sentiment, and so we were looking for a move either up or down off of that, looking for a retest. This is where we saw the retest, was right here, and as you can see, it retested here, here, and here. So we were looking to pick up a trade if it got down there, which was the bottom of the range on SPX on the day, right there at basically 5,700, 56.98 if you want to be precise. And the contract that we used is this contract right here, right, which was the 57.30 contract, which we picked up at the bottom of the range for I think $1.10 was the entry, $1.15, somewhere around there, with a short, with a tight stop loss down around 90. So we're risking $20 per contract, and we're looking for it to move up. The delta at this point in time was probably a 9, maybe a 10, and we were looking for a push to SPX's closing price yesterday, which was right here. Now it went through there, but at that point is where we're going to eliminate 8 out of 10 contracts that we took, and at that point the contract had already moved from the $1 range to about 4.5, right? So you're going to take about 80% off. Now it really took off after that, so we left 2 runners on, which we are out of now, but it went all the way up here to, I believe this is a close to 8 area, so leave two more contracts. So you're taking a risk of $30 per contract, and you're making $300 per contract if you get rid of it at the closing price, which is of the previous day, which is a really good area to take a look at at a potential pivot. Now in this particular case, it blew right through yesterday's closing price, so keeping a couple runners was really helpful. So if you take a look at this particular trade right here, you see we entered at a very low risk area. It retested those spots, and then we got a really nice price entry on this contract right here, and we're able to pull in somewhere in the area of $300 to $400, depending on how long you held it, to go to the closing price of yesterday. And then if you kept 2 runners on a 10 spot, this went all the way to 8 something, so you pick up another 400 per. So that's 800 on those 2, and then let's say 300 on the other 8 that you had, which would have ended up netting you about 3,200 on the trade. So wanted to show you this. It's a trade we use every day. It's very low risk and with great profit potential. So I hope you take a look at our site and see what you think. Give us your opinion. Feel free to comment on the YouTube video.